Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is terrifying: the world's most dangerous insects. These small creatures may look harmless, but their venom, bites, and disease-carrying abilities have deadly consequences. They have shaped ecosystems, influenced human survival, and continue to be a significant threat in many parts of the world. Join us as we unveil the top 10 most dangerous insects on the planet. Stick with us to the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our world. 1. Mosquitoes, silent killers. Mosquitoes are among the tiniest insects, but their deadly reputation is unmatched. Each year, these insects cause over 1 million deaths worldwide. Their danger lies in their ability to transmit fatal diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. Female mosquitoes bite to feed on blood, a necessary act for reproducing. During this process, they inject saliva into their victim's bloodstream, transferring harmful pathogens. This makes them nature's most effective disease carriers. Malaria, caused by parasites transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes, is the most well-known mosquito-borne illness. This disease alone affects millions of people annually and leads to severe health complications, including death. Dengue fever is another major threat. It causes high fever, severe pain, and, in extreme cases, a fatal condition called dengue hemorrhagic fever. Meanwhile, the Zika virus gained global attention due to its link with birth defects in newborns. Mosquitoes thrive in warm, humid environments. Tropical and subtropical regions bear the brunt of their devastation. Efforts to control mosquitoes have included insecticides, the use of bed nets, and innovative genetic engineering approaches. Despite advancements, the adaptability and resilience of mosquitoes make them a persistent threat to global health. 2. Tsetse flies, masters of deception. Tsetse flies, native to sub-Saharan Africa, are another tiny insect with a massive impact. They are best known for transmitting sleeping sickness, a fatal disease caused by the trypanosoma parasite. Sleeping sickness progresses through two stages. The early stage causes fever, headaches, and joint pain. If left untreated, the disease advances to the nervous system, leading to confusion, disruptions in sleep patterns, and eventually death. Tsetse flies are relentless in their search for blood. They locate their prey using sight and smell, often attacking in broad daylight. Their bites are painful and prone to infection. Beyond humans, tsetse flies also affect livestock, causing a disease called mangana. This devastates agricultural economies in affected regions, creating food insecurity. Efforts to combat tsetse flies include trapping methods, aerial insecticide spraying, and releasing sterile males to reduce reproduction. Despite these interventions, tsetse flies remain a significant challenge in Africa. 3. Bullet ants, painful stingers. Bullet ants, native to the rainforests of Central and South America, are famous for their excruciating sting. This sting has been described as the most painful of any insect, earning the species its name. The venom of a bullet ant contains a neurotoxin that causes burning, throbbing pain. The sensation lasts for hours and can incapacitate even large animals. While the sting is not usually life-threatening, it can cause severe allergic reactions. Bullet ants use their venom primarily for defense. They are known to fiercely protect their colonies. Despite their danger, they play an important role in their ecosystems by controlling other insect populations. Some indigenous tribes in the Amazon incorporate bullet ants into initiation rituals. Young men endure stings as a test of bravery and resilience, showcasing their cultural significance despite their painful reputation. 4. Army ants, relentless hunters. Army ants are notorious for their aggressive hunting behavior. Unlike other ant species, they are constantly on the move, forming temporary colonies as they search for food. These ants travel in massive swarms, consuming anything in their path. Their powerful jaws allow them to tear apart prey, including insects, small animals, and sometimes even larger creatures. Army ants rely on numbers to overwhelm their prey. Their collective hunting style makes them one of the most efficient predators in the insect world. While they pose little direct threat to humans, their swarming behavior can force animals and people to vacate areas. Some cultures even use their strong jaws as natural stitches for wounds. Despite their danger, army ants are a critical part of their ecosystems, controlling populations of other species and cleaning up organic material. 5. Kissing bugs, silent disease spreaders. Kissing bugs, also called triatomine bugs, have earned their name due to their habit of biting near the lips. These nocturnal insects feed on blood and are carriers of a deadly disease called Chagas disease. Chagas disease progresses slowly, often going undetected for years. The early symptoms include fever and swelling. Over time, the disease can cause severe heart and digestive system damage, leading to death. The infection occurs when the bug defecates near the bite wound. The parasite enters the body when the victim scratches or rubs the area. Kissing bugs are found in rural and impoverished areas of the Americas. They live in cracks in walls, roofs, and furniture, making them difficult to eradicate. Efforts to control kissing bugs include improving housing conditions, using insecticides, and raising public awareness. Despite these measures, millions remain at risk. 6. Giant Japanese hornets, deadly invaders. Giant Japanese hornets are the largest hornets in the world. Known for their size and aggression, they pose a significant threat to both humans and other insects. Their sting delivers a potent venom that can destroy tissue and cause severe allergic reactions. Multiple stings can be fatal, especially in allergic individuals or those with weakened immune systems. These hornets are also a threat to honeybee populations. They invade hives, killing bees and consuming their larvae. This disrupts ecosystems and impacts agriculture. Efforts to control giant hornets include using traps and protective measures for beekeepers. Their aggressive nature and resilience make them a challenging adversary. 7. Botflies, parasitic threats. Botflies are parasitic insects that target mammals, including humans. They lay their eggs on a host, often using another insect to deliver them. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae burrow into the host's skin. This causes painful boils, swelling, and infections. Removing botfly larvae is a delicate and often painful process. Botflies are most common in Central and South America. While their impact on humans is primarily medical, their parasitic behavior highlights the complexity of insect-host relationships. Efforts to prevent botfly infections include protective clothing and repellents. Despite their gruesome reputation, botflies play a role in maintaining ecological balance. 8. Africanized bees, the killer bees. Africanized bees, commonly known as killer bees, are a hybrid species with a reputation for aggression. When provoked, they attack in large swarms, delivering multiple stings. These bees were introduced to Brazil in the 1950s as part of an experiment. They escaped and spread across the Americas. Their stings can be fatal, especially for individuals allergic to bee venom. The sheer number of stings during an attack increases the risk of severe reactions. Africanized bees are also more aggressive than other bee species. This makes them a threat to humans, animals, and even other bees. Despite their aggression, they are important pollinators. Balancing their ecological role with their danger is an ongoing challenge. 9. Sandflies, tiny but dangerous. Sandflies are small insects with a big impact. They transmit leishmaniasis, a disease that causes skin sores, and, in severe cases, internal organ damage. Leishmaniasis affects millions of people each year, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. The disease is difficult to treat and can be fatal if left untreated. Sandflies are most active at night, making them hard to detect. Their bites are itchy and prone to infection. Preventing bites is crucial to avoiding the disease. Efforts to control sandflies include insecticide-treated nets, spraying, and public health campaigns. Despite these efforts, their tiny size and adaptability make them a persistent threat. 10. Assassin bugs, deadly predators. Assassin bugs are skilled hunters with a stealthy approach. While they primarily feed on other insects, some species pose a threat to humans. Many assassin bugs are vectors for Chagas disease, similar to kissing bugs. Their bites can be painful and dangerous. These bugs are found worldwide, particularly in warm climates. Their ability to adapt to different environments ensures their survival and threat level. They are both predators and vectors of disease, playing a complex role in ecosystems. Despite their danger, they highlight the intricacies of the natural world. The unseen danger of insects. Insects may be small, but their impact is profound. They can shape ecosystems, influence public health, and remind us of nature's power. Advances in medicine and technology have mitigated some risks, but many challenges remain. Climate change and urbanization continue to expand their habitats. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the world's most dangerous insects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the fascinating and sometimes frightening aspects of the natural world.